Welcome back to our journey through ancient histories and connections. Today, we delve into the fascinating lineage of Mizraim's son, Lehabim, and his potential descendants in southern Africa. Through language, symbolism, and ancient migrations, we uncover how Lehabim's lineage might still resonate with certain tribes and traditions across the continent. Our story begins with Mizraim, an ancient progenitor whose name was known across cultures and written in many forms. Mizraim, also recognized as Musiri, Mushiri, Osiris, Masilo, Muzuru, Mzelamu, or simply MSR in Egyptian hieroglyphics, was closely tied to the eagle or falcon, symbols often connected with the sun. His lineage includes Ludim, Anamim, Naphtuhim, and notably for today, Lehabim. The name Lehabim, derived from Lehab or Lehav, translates to flames. This fiery association hints at brightness or power, qualities perhaps linked to the sun or symbolic strength. In African languages, parallels emerge. In Zulu, the word Langabi similarly means flames, suggesting a possible linguistic and cultural bridge. Could Lehabim's descendants have carried this name's meaning and associations across the continent? In southern Africa, we find fascinating connections. Among the Tonga people, for instance, a clan known as the Chiwuka are referred to as Amantungwa. Within these groups, there are echoes of Lehabim's legacy as the people of the flame or Mlilo. The Chiwuka, as part of the Amantungwa, are descendants of the Hungwe, or the Falcon tribe, a group thought to have migrated southward from the north, perhaps carrying the legacy of Mizraim and Lehabim. Turning our focus to the present-day country of Malawi, we find yet another link. Malawi, formerly known as Maravi, translates similarly to flame or place of fire. Linguistically, Maravi may stem from Malihav, possibly indicating a connection to Lehab. The people of Malawi, also called the Chewa or Nasa, trace back to the Hungwe stock. They share a significant history with other Bantu tribes, collectively forming the lineage that moved into the southern regions. The Maravi were not alone in their lineage. The Kikuyu, residing in the north, also refer to the falcon as Hungu, known as Hungwe in the southern regions, demonstrating a shared reverence for this symbol among Lehabim's descendants. These shared symbols and names across regions suggest that the legacy of Lehabim, Mizraim's son, may still be found in the languages, names, and cultural symbols of several African tribes today. Through names, symbols, and migrations, we uncover echoes of Lehabim's name and legacy woven into the cultures of southern Africa. These tribes reflect a shared heritage that traces back to Mizraim and his sons, carrying forward ancient connections across time and space. Join us in our next episode as we explore the stories and symbols of Africa's ancient forebears and how they continue to shape the continent's heritage today. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and consider supporting us through the link in the description. Your support allows us to bring more in-depth histories to light. Thank you for watching.